Okay. Exceptional great view and location. Nice and convenient place to stay around Johor Bahru. The apartment has everything you might need. The management was very kind, offering earlier check-in. The pool is great for refreshing and you can find almost everything you need within 1 kilometer distance. Very dedicated owner. I check in late 11 p.m, owner still come and pass the key to me. Very satisfied, clean and tidy, very good environment. Exceptional great host. Responsive. House is clean and easy to check in and out. Exceptional overall is good. Host very nice and quick response. Will book again, thanks. Comfy, just like home, feel so comfortable staying here and it's like my own room. Good place to stay. Really recommended place to stay. Facilities is good and host very helpful. Very nice. Good overall. Location 2 minutes drive to IKEA/Toppen/Ian to Brow. Perhaps host can upgrade the table in future, to make it look better. Terbaik and memaskan, simple but nice. View Kalam. Deposit RM100. Lane 2 Memaskan. It's a home, make yourself comfortable like your own home. Big place and helpful host. There is TV, Wi-Fi, washing machine, minibar, fridge and outdoor balcony. Helpful host to help me with my questions and worth the money to stay here. Big and clean place. Value for money if long stays. Had a business trip for 5 days and this place and the location suits it all. Excellent, good. Bayat goods.